Senate President Francis Escudero says the endorsement and filing of an impeachment case is a constitutional process that seeks to hold one of the highest officials of the land accountable. Because of this development, the Senate leader advised his fellow lawmakers to refrain from commenting about the allegations made in the impeachment case. He explains, if ever the case is elevated to the upper chamber, it is the senators who will serve in the impeachment court. The Senate President added the principles of justice and fairness should prevail and to ensure all moves that will be made are anchored on the rule of law. Senate Majority Leader Francis Tolentino agrees with the statements of the Senate leader.
Unethical for us to comment on this. Yun yung aking pananaw bilang chairman ng Committee on Rules. So para po maging ethical at nakaalinsunod sa rules, ay hindi dapat po mag-comment kahit sinong senador. Kasi po, kagaya po ng, kayo po, pwede ba nyo interviewin ng RTC judge? Judge, anong gagawin nyo sa kaso? Hindi naman pwede ganon.